Okay, so we have arrived in the room and I'm gonna be giving you some room tour. Okay, room tour time. So over here, this is the entrance. There's some place decoration. And over here, there's a mirror where you can see yourself. Very cool and very cute. And over here is the closet. And then in here, this is where you make coffee, tea, and drink water. And over here is a place where you put your luggage and stuff. Same with this closet. And over here is the bed. Oh my god, this is such a big bed. I wasn't expecting the room to look like this. And then there is this mini area where you can sit, and there's like a tiny couch in here. Over here there's like a TV as well, which is really big. And this is the bathroom. I am in love with the bathroom, guys. Look over here. There is a bathtub outside. And then this is the shower room where you can take shower. Here you go, very nice. It's included with all the shampoo, conditioner, and there's a shower over there. And then once you open here, there's the bathtub. And then outside is like a lake and stuff like that. I'll be showing you later. But overall, yeah, my most favorite part is the bathroom and this big mirror in the front. It's very nice. And then over here is a separated area where you can take a pee or poop over there. And basically, yeah. And I'll be touring the outside one right now. Okay, so here is the bathtub, and then outside there's a lake, which is very nice, as you can see. So I've decided to ride this to explore the place that we're staying in, and it's really pretty. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek on what it looks like. So I went to the nearby beach, and it is so pretty. It's like a little private beach, and the sand, it's so white, as you can see. I really like the sand, it's so white, and I'm gonna show you how clear the water is. Look at this, it's so pretty. I also went to the pool. It's near at the beach, and then this is what it looks like. Over here, the pool is really nice. It has coconut trees, and then this is the pool, and then that's the restaurant. I'm gonna go there later, but this is just the beautiful thing I've seen the entire time I'm here in Belitung. So after exploring the whole entire hotel, we were tired, so we took a rest in the room. And after taking a rest, we decided to go to the beach and watch the sunset. But I also took some sunset pictures that I cannot wait to show you. Here's the result. Okay, so I'm here at the restaurant and I'm going to eat dinner with my family, and today I'll be eating hamburger for dinner. So let's try it. It's really pretty, especially the lights. It's very gorgeous. And look at the staircase, it's very cool. In person, it's way more beautiful. It's like it has golden lights in it. Okay, so I just take a shower and I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. Okay, so I'm going to go to bed and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! So in the morning, I decided to go to the beach and see the tide pools and check out what animals they are. In this clip, I found like a really cool shrimp. Tell me what it is, guys, because I have no idea what this is. And look, the corals there are in the tide pools. It's so gorgeous. Look, guys, I see Mr. Crab. Oh my god, guys, I just found a stingray! What? This is so cool. I'm not gonna go near it because I'm gonna disturb its place, but oh my god, guys, I found a stingray! And it's moving, it's so cute. Hi! Hi, little fella. You're very cute. I like you. Okay, so I just came back and I want to eat breakfast, and this is what I'm eating. Also, when I was in the beach, I accidentally got scratched by a shell and it was bleeding really bad, but it's healed up quite a bit right now. And later, he sent me like a medicine for the open wound. It's honestly, like, the service here is really good and I really enjoy staying here a lot. So let's eat breakfast. Hi, so I just got back from swimming and I just took a shower and I got ready because we will be leaving this resort and we will be changing hotels to another resort. Wait, yeah, we're going to be changing resorts. So hopefully this resort will be really good. And I heard that my mom said this is a very nature vibe. So stay tuned, we're going there. So they just gave us a sea urchin. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm eating a raw sea urchin. So let's try one bite. They gave a lot. How do I eat this? Okay, so here it is. Let's try it. Bismillah. They gave us another like food complimentary. It's like a shell, a clam. It's a clam, but I don't know what kind this is. So we're gonna eat it later. We're gonna finish the sea urchin first. So let's go. I've been standing at the edge of the water as long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter. Hi guys. So I'm at the beach and let's take a big dip with me. That is really refreshing. Okay, so this is our dinner table. We have received a lot of foods and I like the set here. It's really cute in front of the ocean and the food here is also really yummy. So this is the next day and I've decided to walk to the beach in the morning and go look at the tide pools. It's really nice in here, but sadly today's a little bit cloudy. Okay, so we just took some rest and then right now we're going to eat lunch because it's already 12 o'clock. So see you later. Unfortunately, the weather was really bad today and it was raining really hard. Hi guys, so update, it is raining and we couldn't go swimming or kayaking, so hopefully it gets brighter soon. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back at the room right now and earlier at afternoon, me and my dad went kayaking to another island. It was so fun. We went to caves. There's like little caves and there's like water inside it. It was so fun. The name of the island is this. I forgot the names. I'm gonna put that later in the video. It was so fun. The water was so nice, and then there were like so many cool souvenirs, and then like we went there with the guide, right? And then after we're done, we have to go back to our mainland. And when we come back, he didn't accompany us because he was staying in that land because there's another tourist that went there. So we had to go in the middle of the ocean alone with our own kayaks, which was a fun and quite scary experience, but it was quite easy and it wasn't that hard to do. So right now I'm going to chill out a bit and then we're gonna have dinner later, and I'm just gonna do my little snack. This is really good. It's from the hotel and I wanna chill out and eat this. So yeah, see you later. I have to record this.
Masih bisa nangkep, Mas?
Itu bisa copot nggak sih? Copot rusa. Oh, lumayan gede.
Papa, I'm scared. Okay, so hi, it is the final day, the 4th day where we're going home. And in the morning, we're just going to get ready and be prepared to go to airport. But before we get to the airport, I'm going to a restaurant of like seafood, so I'm so excited to try that. And later at 2 o'clock, we're going to the airplane back to Jakarta. So yeah, I'm excited, but I'm also sad. It was really fun here at Belitung, so I'll get ready. Guys, update, we couldn't do anything in the morning because it is raining really bad, and I'm just so sad that we couldn't like go to the beach for like the very last day, and it's like raining really hard and we couldn't even go outside and play at the ocean. Hopefully the rain stops and then we could go to nearby beach a little bit more, because it has been a great time this vacation, so I hope that the rain stops. So I'm just going to take a shower. I'll keep you updated. See you soon. So I'll be eating this sea urchin, which is really good. So we have to put like lime on top of it so it won't be too oceany, if you get what I mean. I never expect to like a raw sea urchin, which is surprisingly I do like it. So we're just squeezing it out, the lime and stuff. It's so good and still so fresh.